You already know about the interstellar visitor 3I Atlas.
There's a mysterious interstellar object hurtling towards our solar system, exciting scientists across the globe.
Let's talk instead about a mystery interstellar object that was spotted by astronomers last week. It could be the oldest comet ever seen.
The greatest mystery in our skies just got stranger. Howard's top scientists saying it could be a nuclear-powered alien craft.
3I Atlas, discovered in July 2025 by the Atlas telescope in Chile. This is the third time in history that we've seen something coming from outside our solar system. But here's the difference. This time, scientists say we are witnessing something much bigger and stranger than ever before.
Yeah, the reason was that the inferred size of the object was huge. It was between 20 and 46 kilometers, unless there is a dense cloud of dust around it that is scattering sunlight. This is an object, if that is the size of it, that is 1,000,000 times more massive than the previous interstellar objects we've seen, and that's quite unlikely. There is not enough material in interstellar space.
Unlike the comets we usually see, 3I Atlas is on a hyperbolic path. It has entered our solar system from interstellar space. It will swing around the sun once, and then it will leave forever, never to return. And since its discovery, telescopes around the world have been watching closely. What they've found is surprising everyone, from its massive size to its unusual chemistry. Some results are so strange that they don't match any comet we've studied before. What makes 3I Atlas so unique, what scientists have discovered in the last few months, and what's going to happen next as this rare visitor gets closer to the sun. Welcome to Space and Joy, where we explore the wonders of the universe. From mysterious comets to distant galaxies, black holes to the latest space discoveries, we cover it all. Subscribe and join us, and let's dive into the wonders of space together.
Yes, look at that bad boy.
This is a raw image, so this is not even this is just directly from the telescope right now.
You're looking at a piece of what would have become a planet in another star system. This is a building block from somebody else's home.
Let's break down what makes 3I Atlas so unique. First, the unusual chemistry. The James Webb Space Telescope has given us the most shocking details so far. 3I Atlas is made mostly of carbon dioxide gas. Normally, comets are dominated by water ice, but here, the ratio of CO₂ to water is about 8:1. This is the highest CO₂ level ever measured in a comet. Other telescopes like SPHEREX and SWIFT confirm this result. In fact, they found a giant cloud of CO₂ gas, called a coma, stretching almost 350,000 kilometers around the comet. To give you perspective, that's nearly the distance from the Earth to the Moon. This tells us something very important. 3I Atlas did not form in a place like our solar system. It must have been born in a completely different environment, possibly billions of years ago, in the early days of our galaxy. Second, the mystery of its size. When it was first discovered, some scientists estimated the nucleus could be as large as 24 kilometers wide. That would make it one of the largest comets ever seen, not just among interstellar ones. But new data suggests the actual nucleus is smaller, probably just a few kilometers across. The reason it looks so massive is because of the enormous cloud of gas and dust surrounding it. Still, compared to Oumuamua, which was only a few hundred meters long, and Borisov, which was about a kilometer wide, 3I Atlas is easily the biggest interstellar object we've studied so far. Third, the upcoming encounters the next few months are going to be very exciting. On October 3rd, 2025, 3I Atlas will pass close to Mars, just about 30 million kilometers away. This means that Mars orbiters could capture data from an interstellar comet up close, something that has never happened in human history. Then on October 29th, 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to the Sun, about 1.35 astronomical units. That's a little beyond Earth's orbit, but close enough for us to study its activity as it heats up. Finally, in December 2025, it will make its closest pass to Earth, around 1.8 Oumuamua away. That's still very distant, But telescopes on Earth and in space will get their best chance to observe it before it disappears forever. Why does this matter? Every interstellar object is like a time capsule. It carries frozen material from another star system, giving us clues about how planets and comets form across the galaxy. The strange chemistry of 3I Atlas, dominated by carbon dioxide, is forcing scientists to rethink their models. It shows us that planetary systems beyond our own can produce completely different kinds of comets. Of course, there are also bold ideas. Some researchers, like Avi Loeb, have suggested that objects like this could even be artificial. Most astronomers strongly disagree and say it's natural. But the fact that such questions are being raised shows just how mysterious 3I Atlas really is. So, 3I Atlas is not just another comet, it's a messenger from another star system, carrying secrets billions of years old. Over the next few months, as it moves closer to the sun and then swings back into deep space, scientists will be watching closely. And for us, it's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises and that our solar system is not as isolated as we once thought. So stay tuned, because the story of 3I Atlas is only getting started. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this incredible interstellar visitor.